Welcome everybody. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe, especially at home. Well, today we're going to do a quick DIY whipped body butter with our favorite Shea butter. This is all I have left, so I'm just going to use that. And then I have my extra virgin oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and of course sweet orange, just for fragrance basically. I'm going to warm this Shea butter and then I'll add on my coconut oil. So I did that over boiling water. I didn't do direct heat, and that's it melted. I'm adding a few drops of coconut oil. I'll put all that information in the description box. So that's basically coconut oil going in there. Now that the coconut oil is all in there, I'm going to be adding my extra virgin olive oil. And like I said, I'm going to put all the measurements down in the description box. Next is my castor oil, and with castor oil, a little bit goes a long way. So we're going to be using about 1 or 2 of that. I'll put a measurement, like I said, in the description box. And now my favorite part is my sweet orange essential oil that smells absolutely sweet, okay? So I'm gonna add that on there, a few drops. I'll put all that in the description box. And then once that is done, I am gonna go ahead and whip the whole sauce together. So using my hand mix, I'm just gonna go ahead and whip that together. And as you will notice, as it cools down, it begins to solidify a little bit. So whipping around that stage is pretty much the best option. So I'm gonna whip while it's cooling down, and then till it's pretty much fluffy, almost white. I wouldn't say fluffy white, but almost white, more like a buttery, not yogurty texture, like a yogurt. Yeah, that's kind of the texture I want. You know, so I want it fluffed up and whipped together. So we're gonna keep going to make sure there's no lumps in there. And then we'll be dishing it out in our, containers. This whole process should pretty much take you about 15 minutes if you have everything ready to go. So it's not really that, strenuous or difficult to do. This is really simple. It's a simple process. You can do it at home, easy to do, amazing on the skin. I love the feel. So as you can see, whipping it, it's getting all fluffy white. So when that's done, I'm gonna put that in a Ziploc, and then we're gonna, press that out into a mason jar. Okay, I think it's almost done, pretty much done. So as you can see, almost white, beautiful, fluffy, sweet, smooth. Anyway, and it smells amazing because I used sweet orange essential oil. So let's just transfer that into a jar now. I'm going to be cutting one of the corners of the Ziploc, and we're going to be getting the product out of there into the mason jar. Easy to do. You can be creative with it if you want. I just want it out of the into the container. Here we go. I try to be creative, it didn't work out. So here we go. I probably cut it way too much. So this right here should be enough for quite a while, maybe 2 months or so, depending on how much, you know, of it you use. But I think this should do about 2 months. I absolutely love the texture and what it does on the skin. This can be used for both hair and body. So I'll put all the benefits of the ingredients down in the description box, and then you guys try it out. Let me know how you feel about it. Have you been trying it at home? How do you like it? What is it doing for you? All that stuff. Give me all that good stuff in the comment section. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And lastly, before I leave, don't forget what? You're allowed to what? Dream it. You're allowed to what? Speak it. And you're definitely allowed to what? Live it. All right, guys? So peace out. Enjoy your days at home quarantine. Don't forget, I love you. Mwah. And as always, peace out.